Manny Pacquiao is deep in training for his upcoming fight, June 9th against Timothy Bradley Jr. It's a very important fight, especially since the last two fights medyo lackluster. Yung pagtatapos ng mga laban na yun against Juan Manuel Marquez and also was it Shane Mosley, I think. Pero ngayon, marami naman mga batikos sa kanya dahil di umano sa kanya mga statements on same-sex marriage. Marami na po ang naisulat, but here he is clarifying his stand, clarifying the statement that he made to the reporter who wrote that article first.
Alright, Manny, iba na talaga yung sikat, no? Konting mga nasasabi mo, napapalaki, nabibigyan ng ibang kahulugan. So ngayon, kumakalat naman sa internet, yung stand mo daw sa same-sex marriage. Ano ba talaga yung sinabi mo?
May nagtanong lang naman. May nagtanong kung anong position ko sa ganyan. Binigay ko lang yung opinion ko. Yung tamang, yung sa akin lang, yung opinion. Siyempre, lahat naman tayo may kanya-kanyang opinion.
So, anong opinion yung binigay mo?
Yung kung ano yung lumabas na opinion, yun yung sinabi ko.
Sinabi mo daw na first you have to follow the law of God.
Siyempre. At naniwala ako na sa aking paniniwala, in my opinion, is hindi maganda para sa mata ng Panginoon.
Ngayon, may mga nagpapalaki, sinasabi, inaatake mo daw si Obama kasi lumabas naman siya at sinabi niyang he is in favor of same-sex marriage.
Marami namang favor sa ganyan, no? Kanya-kanya naman tayong opinion at hindi ko naman tinanong lang naman nila ako. Sinagot ko lang yung tanong nila.
All right, here are my thoughts on this, no? Manny is not the first one to say that he is not in favor of same-sex marriage. Kaya nga lang siya ay kinikilala, maraming sumusunod sa mga sinasabi niya, kaya maraming bumabatiko sa kanya. Now, he's also clarified na he's not against gay people. In fact, meron siyang mga kaibigan, meron siyang mga kamag-anak pa nga, but he's saying that he is not for same-sex marriage because he has to follow the law of God. You know, when we talk about tolerance or intolerance for this kind of lifestyle, I think we should also pause and think about being tolerant of other people's religious beliefs. Sinasabi niya yung kanyang position in the context of his religious beliefs, we should also respect that. Kaya, anong masasabi mo? Miss Nanette Inventor?
Same-sex marriage, alam mo, nagawa ko na yan eh. Oo.
Talaga?
Kasi
Kailan?
when I do characters as a stand-up, meron ako mga characters na nagme-marry. Same-sex. Kaya nagawa ko na yan.
So you're doing the same sex? Ikaw na yung lalaki, ikaw pa yung babae?
Yes.
Sa character.
Kumakanta rin ako na ganyan. Like, you want a sample of that?
Sige.
Tonight, I celebrate my love for you. It seems the natural fee. Hindi ba? Nag-blend na sila.
Ano ba ang mas madali for you? You know, you're an actress, a singer, performer. Ano bang mas madali? Yung kumanta o yung magpatawa?
I love both. Because I was blessed by that gift to give laughter and to give entertainment. And if ever I give entertainment, it should be the best entertainment because God has given me the gift to do that.
And God, you know, when He gives us gifts also, katulad yung binigay niya kay Manny, He gives us also different ways to use it for His glory.
Yes.
And that is why I think you've been in the business for a while as
29.
well. My gosh, 29 years.
Huwag na hunan yung hulaan ng edad ko. Okay na rin ho sa akin, hindi yung hulaan.
Anong secret ng longevity? Because until now, you do teleseries in the Philippines. Yes.
Longevity? I think it requires a lot of discipline. Ang daming kailangan disiplina dyan. Kagaya nga ni Teacher Annie at ni Teacher Joy. Habang dinidisiplina mo rin ang boses mo, di ba? Kasi instrumento yan. Di ba? Sa pag-awit. And at the same time, yung discipline, like, if you're doing stand-up and you have a good script, you should have a good material, first and foremost. And then, I guess, you always should be very observant and preparing for what you're going to do. You always prepare for it. But I always start it. The formula is, number one, anything I will do on stage, whether 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3, or anything at all, I pray before I do it.
Prayer.
Yes.
And speaking of doing things on stage, Miss Nanette Inventory is currently on a tour with the UP Concert Chorus, celebrating the 50th anniversary of the UP Concert Chorus. That's the information on the screen. Catch them. Marami pa pong schedule yan, hindi lang sa Los Angeles. Meron pa po sa iba't ibang states, iba't ibang cities dito sa Amerika. That's the website also if you want to get more information. For now, thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah, and catch us also sa San Diego. Nandun kami, May 20 sa, what do you call it? Swiss Park,
Ayan.
San Diego. Sa
Okay.
Chula Vista po yun.
And earlier, Miss Nanette sang for us. I'll leave you with her song. Thank you for joining us. Sana po marami kayong natutunan. This has been Janelle Sawyer, kababayan in Los Angeles. I'll see you again tomorrow.
Ito ng gabing hinihintay, mga kaibigan ko'y nagdating ang lahat. Nananabik kong marinig inyong palakpak. Mayroon ka ba sa aking bibig? Pinapupisan pa ng tila malagkit. Ito ang dinaranas ko sa tuwing palabas. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako'y nagagalak at kayo'y nagsidalo sa palabas natin ito. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako'y nagagalak at tayo'y nagkaniin kahit konting sandali. Sa mga indayo tayo napapasaya at sa labis na galak